Hi everyone, welcome back to Style Blender, and in today's video I will be sharing a bib pattern. This is really easy and I'm going to simplify as much as I can. So starting from creating a line, and from this line I am going to start marking the pattern. This is just a reference line and I am going to create it on paper so you can easily see all the numbers and everything. Thus I can keep this pattern to create more and more bibs for the little ones in my family. So the length I took is 9 inches. You can go up to 10 inches, and here I am just showing you the standard size. You can definitely go for bigger or little smaller if you want. All right, so from the top I marked on 9 inches for the length, and then I marked from the folded side I marked on 4 inches. Then I joined all the lines and it looks something like that. Now from the reference line, I marked on 1.25 inches. This is where we are going to create our bib area, the band area for the bib. So it looks something like that. From that line, I am going to mark on 3 inches and I will create a straight line. And from the folded side, I'm going to be marking on 1.75 inches. You can go up to 2 inches or you can mark on 1.5 inches for little slimmer babies. But this is good for all type of babies. And then mark the midpoint of that area. And from the corners, I am going to mark on 1/2 inches on both sides like this. Now I am going to join all the marks together. And you can see it created like little circle around that area. I'm going to recommend you to use something round shape so you can have like a perfect round. I have this round ruler, so this is an armhole ruler, and I am using its curving area to perfecting my round shape, but you can use plate, bowl, or anything. You just have to perfecting the round area. And on the band area, I'm just creating a little curve around the corners just to give it a shape. If you want to keep it straight, you can go ahead and keep it straight. Then from that area, again, I am using my ruler to curve around neck band area here. And it looks something like that. And from the bottom, I am going to again create one more round shape. This is the bib look we have so far. But if you don't have this ruler, then all you have to do from the corners, you have to mark 1 inches and create a round shape. The pattern is ready. You can go ahead and cut it out, and you can use it. I would suggest you to cut it on a cardboard if you want to keep the pattern so you can keep it for a very long time. And one more thing I just wanted to share is I am going to add a little bit design like a pear shape for my bib. So from the midpoint, I am marking on 1 inches inside, and that's how I'm gonna create this shape. And I am just doing a round around that area so I can give it a pear shape, and then I am going to cut it out. You can use a round shape, pear shape, square shape, triangle at the bottom. Keep square from the top and triangle at the bottom. There's so many variations. I'm just sharing a pattern making of the bib, but if you want to just use the existing bib to create a new look, you can definitely just change the shape around that area. Just keep the neck same as your older bib or this pattern, and from the bottom you can create many shapes. and this is how it looks. And in my next video I will be using this pattern and creating so many different style of bibs, so you can check that out on Monday. Every Monday I am uploading a video, so I hope to talk to you guys in my other video. If this is good tutorial, please don't forget to subscribe and like it. I'll be sharing new designs using this pattern in my next video. Until the next time, take care you all. Bye.